political landscape in Tamil Nadu has shifted dramatically after the latest assembly election results.
Right. According to reporting from Press Trust India, outgoing Chief Minister M. Stalin has officially accepted the people's mandate. He acknowledged that the DMK will now transition into a role as a constructive and effective opposition party.
It is quite a turn of events for Stalin, especially losing his long-held stronghold in Kolithur.
That loss was significant. He was defeated there by V.S. Babu of the TVK. Despite the setback, Stalin maintained a professional stance, stating that his administration had operated for the benefit of all citizens during its tenure.
The emergence of actor Vijay's party seems to have been the decisive factor in this election cycle.
The data suggests the TVK successfully challenged the established order. With the results finalized, the focus moves to how the DMK will navigate its new position in the assembly after being the dominant force. It marks a notable change in the state's traditional power dynamics.
The transition to a new government will certainly be a critical period for the state's governance.